Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Meridian trimmer is not charging at all or showing no sign of power when plugged in, it can be very frustrating because you cannot use it when you need it. You might connect the charger and expect it to start charging, but nothing happens or the charging seems very slow. In many situations, this problem is not caused by a broken device, but by small issues like improper connection, dirty charging points, or a weak power source. Since this trimmer depends on a steady charging flow, even a small interruption can stop the process completely. Sometimes the device may also need a simple reset or correct positioning to start charging again. It is important to go through a few basic checks before thinking about replacing it. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a Meridian trimmer that is not charging. Try these. 1. Connect the Meridian trimmer charger properly to a working power outlet. 2. Insert the charging cable into the Meridian trimmer carefully without looseness. 3. Clean the charging port of the Meridian trimmer to remove dust or buildup. 4. Check the charging cable of the Meridian trimmer for any visible damage. 5. Try charging the Meridian trimmer using a different power source. 6. Leave the Meridian trimmer plugged in for some time and check if charging starts.